A powerful feature of QuickBooks is the preset reports. To view reports, on the left-hand navigation, click Reports. QuickBooks opens up the Report Center. It's broken into three different tabs: the Standard Reports, Custom Reports, and Management Reports. The first option you have is to actually search for a report or look through the list of reports here. Next, you have Favorites. These are simply reports that you have tagged as favorites by selecting the green star. Let's suppose we want to add our profit and loss by class. I simply click it, and it gets automatically added to the favorites. To view any report at any time with one click, click the name of the report, and QuickBooks opens up the report. I can click back to Standard Reports, and I'm back on the Report Center. There are several categories, starting with Business Overview, that break down the reports into different categories of reports about your business. The Business Overview includes information, both summary and detailed information about your balance sheet, your profit and loss, cash flows, budgets, and other important business overview reports. As you scroll down, you'll see different categories, starting with Who Owes You. This is who owes you money or your accounts receivable. There'll be accounts receivable aging and detail reports, customer balance summaries, collections reports, and even statement information. As you scroll down, you'll see details about your sales and customers. This will give you insight into who your top customers are by sales, what products or services you're selling, how much you have on deposits or estimates by customer, and even details about inventory. As you scroll down, you'll see what you owe. So this is going to tell you what you owe in your business, what your accounts payable are, what open bills you have, and any supplier balances that you may have with any of your vendors. Next, we see expenses and suppliers. This is going to give you details of where you've purchased the most for expenses. It will give you details about purchase orders and even give you other details like reports on contracting or subcontractors. Next, you see sales tax. This provides you with details about your sales tax payable. Employees, information about your employees. And then under For My Accountant, you'll see a variety of reports that your accountant may ask for at your year end or at various times throughout the year. So things like your general ledger, journal reports, transaction details by account. Those will be typically used by your accountant, but they're accessible for you as the business owner as well. And finally, you'll see payroll reports. So things like contact lists for employees, time activities, and other details about your payroll. Next, you'll see at the top, there's custom reports. This is going to be where we store all of our customized reports, and we can access them with one click. So once you customize a report, you can save it. It gets saved to custom reports, and you can open it up by clicking on it like any other report. Finally, we have management reports. This is a special category of reports. They're more advanced, and you can view those reports by clicking Preview over here on the right. And QuickBooks opens up a preview of the management reports. There's a little bit more formatting, more detail is given to the actual view of the reports, but it's taking the same information as you'd have on a standard report and refining that and making it available in a management report format.